Ever wondered which birds rake in the most cash for businesses? In the next few seconds, you'll discover the top moneymakers in the bird world. First up, chickens dominate the market with their eggs and meat. They're a staple in diets globally. Then we have ducks, valued for their meat, eggs, and even down feathers. Turkeys, especially popular during festive seasons, also bring significant revenue. Don't forget pigeons. Racing and breeding pigeons can be incredibly lucrative. Peacocks, with their stunning feathers, are often sold for ornamental purposes. Finally, quail eggs are in demand for their unique taste and nutritional value. These birds offer diverse revenue streams. From poultry farming to ornamental aviculture, the opportunities are vast. Like what you see. Subscribe for more intriguing facts.